So welcome back to another video of Naturally Rooted Growers. Today I'll be making banana bread. This is not my recipe, I just printed it. And anyway, let's get to it. So first we have our 3 really ripe bananas. Then we have sugar, flour, olive oil, measuring cup, butter, 1 cup, teaspoon cup, baking soda, salt, an egg, a pan for the bread, and 2 bowls. So the oven is preheating. So that was already step 1. Oh wait, I have to use all of them for that step. So it says the next step is we need the bananas, sugar and egg and butter in a bowl, and put the flour, baking soda in a separate bowl. So now the sugar and egg. Allow me to wash my hands. Okay, so now we add the sugar. And this is a cup of sugar. So that's all in this bowl. Then let's bring the separate bowl. Other ones. Flour and baking soda in this one. In the baking soda. So it says that next step is to stir in the salt. Forgot the butter. So I had to grab a smaller bowl because I forgot it needs a smaller bowl for the butter. I put in the microwave for 20 seconds. So I don't have a big blob of butter in my banana bread. So while that's going, so now I'm mashing it, because I never did mash the bananas. And while I mash it, I stir it so that I get at least a mixture, because you don't want a bunch of chunks in your banana bread. And after this is all stirred, I'll stir place where I put the flour and baking soda. When I stir all that, I'll put it in this bowl. Then add the sugar, the salt. Then pour it in this pan. And by then the oven is probably done preheating to where I can just put it in. Then in about an hour it'll be ready. It may take half an hour to cool down though. Maybe more. No, did I ever mention what I preheated it to? To 325, if I didn't mention it. So I just added the two mixtures, and after I can only see the golden, oh crap, I didn't add the butter. Guess I can still do it now. Oh, and the last time I made the banana bread, which is a week or two ago, maybe 3, I didn't melt the butter enough, so there's bits of chunks of butter in the banana. Okay, now I can add the salt. A teaspoon of salt. And in other videos that the channel makes, you may see me in the other videos, but I don't really know what videos I'll be in. But I was in making the plant rack and the lights. I was involved with that video. I just didn't talk. Okay, now I can add the mixture into the bowl. This pan that I was talking about. Okay, so I just have to put this in the oven. Then soon, in about an hour, it'll be ready. It might take half an hour to cool down. Well, that concludes this video of making homemade banana bread. Bye. And down below you will see a link posted for the recipe. And in an hour I'll be back with you so that you can see how it looks. Okay, so I'm back and the banana bread is ready, and I'm about to see how it tastes. Pretty good. It is very moist. It is pretty good though. It's a successful recipe.